Namaste and welcome everybody. Today in this tutorial video, I'm about to show you how you can create dots or role system in Unity 3D. I'll try to make it very simple and easy for you. First of all, let me show you how my character movement function works so that you won't get confused with the code in the process. You can skip this part if you want to jump right into the dots mechanics. And watch till the end of this video so that you won't miss any critical points. Also, at the end I have revealed the 3 upcoming tutorial videos. Now, the first step is to create your dots animation. You can download it free from Mixamo. Head to mixamo.com and get your animation. Now, in your animator controller, add the animation and also create a dots trigger parameter. Connect the ground state and dots animation with each other and change the setting as shown. I would also like to increase the speed of animation to 1.3. Also, you have to make these changes in your animation. Set root transform position Y to fit and check back into pose so that it will always play up on the floor. And root transform rotation to body orientation and check back into pose. The animation was not rolling towards the forward direction of character. So I set its root transform rotation offset to -45. And after doing the changes, hit the apply button. Now you can see the animation is working well. It's time to start coding the actual dot system. I would like to create a curve variable to set speed and time of the world, boolean to record dot state, and a timer float to hold the length of the animation. Here we are getting the last keyframe from the dots curve and assigning its time to dots timer. If we press F button, then our character with dots, we are going to create a coroutine function for the process, and we will only allow dots if our character is moving towards some direction. In your script, you can also use your input to trigger if character is moving. Now follow the video. Right there we are getting the speed from dodge curve according to the time spent after hitting dodge button, and the direction to roll towards is forward direction, and adding gravity to it. In your script you can also do vector 3 to down and multiply it with gravity. We are going to disable character movement while our character is performing a role, and also lowering down the rotation speed. Let's add audio to our role. That would enhance the overall dodge and make it even more sweet. While our character is rolling, he should be able to get through small gaps. I mean the height of the collider should be changing with the animation and the current body state. The two things we are going to change is collider's height and its center. Find the best setting for a character. Mine is going to be 1 for the height, 0.5 for center Y, and then create the change in the script. Now the final thing to do is to set up your variables. Get the length of your animation actually at the point where your character is not changing its position. Mine is at 1 or 0.93. Set the time of the last key of your dodge curve to the length of the animation, and value is going to be the speed of your dodge at that frame of the animation. Set it up with the best suitable value that matches with the animation that you have. Now we have a dodge mechanics in our game. Let's go try it out. I hope this video was helpful and you guys get the idea of how it is done. If you do have some questions, you can really comment it out. I'll try my best to answer you. Last but not least, here are some of the 3 upcoming tutorial videos. Sword contact effect in Unity 3D. Simple but effective wall climbing mechanics. Creating character in Blender, rig it, animate it, and import it to Unity 3D. For all those viewers who are new to this channel and who are not subscribed to this channel, it would be awesome to have you guys as a subscriber and hit the bell icon to make sure you won't miss any upcoming videos. At the end, I will make sure to come up with more amazing tutorial for you guys. Thank you for making this to the end. Until next time, goodbye and take care.